Hey, I'm Brandon with Cycle Gear, and we're here to take a closer look at how to set up and pair your Bluetooth communication system. So whether you've got a BiLT helmet like the one in my hands or perhaps a Sedici helmet with that integrated communication system, there's just a few easy steps to get it set up and get you back out there on the road. Bluetooth technology continues to advance with more features and become more and more user-friendly. Now, I use my Sena 20S pretty much every time I ride out there on the street. It's really nice to be able to listen to music while I'm riding on my daily commutes. And if I'm taking any longer trips, I can have my GPS directions relayed to me. I can communicate with my fellow riders, all the while maintaining my focus on the road ahead. Now in front of me, I've got the BiLT Techno 2.0 Sena Bluetooth helmet, and on my left-hand side, we've got the Sedici Strada Parlare Bluetooth helmet. Both of these have fully integrated communication systems, meaning that you've already got the unit mounted, you've got the speakers inside, and the microphone already pre-installed right out of the box. Now perhaps you're just now looking into Bluetooth technology, you've already got your helmet, you're going to need to know how to install that Bluetooth communication device. And we do have a separate video for that. Hopefully that will address any questions you might have had and just really demonstrate how easy it is to install these communication devices. Now today, these are what I'm going to utilize to demonstrate, pairing it up with your smartphone or pairing it up with your fellow riders. These are the Sena DW05 communication systems. Now, one of the first things I wanted to discuss today was actually pairing this up with your smartphone. In order to do that, we actually need to turn the communication system on. Now, taking a closer look at the communication system, you're going to see a plus button, you've got this round center button, and then a minus button. So the plus and minus are going to allow you to adjust the volume on the inside of the helmet. You're going to hear, these small tones on the inside of the helmet to indicate that you're making those adjustments. And it also allows you to toggle through some of the menu settings when you dive deeper into some of the features. Now to turn the communication system on, you're going to simply hold the center button and the plus key. You're going to hold that for about 1 second, and then you're going to see this blue flash here. It'll change to red, and then it's going to have a continual blue flash indicating that the communication system is on. And again, you are going to hear a voice prompt on the inside of the helmet that says hello, just letting you know that you're turned the communication on successfully. Now the first thing in the process of getting this paired up with your smartphone is to enter this communication device into the phone pairing mode. Now in order to do that, we've got to hold the center button for 12 seconds. Now you're going to hear a few different voice prompts along the way, such as intercom pairing. Now you're also going to hear universal intercom pairing. Keep holding that center button until you hear configuration menu. Now once you hear configuration menu, you can simply hit the plus key, and that's going to enter into that phone pairing mode. Now a quick recap there, 12 seconds on the center button, then you're going to wait to hear configuration menu. Once you hear configuration menu, you can simply hit the plus key, and that's going to enter into that phone pairing mode. And you can see here that the center button has changed to a red and blue flash, indicating that it's trying to create the link between the communication system and your smartphone. So now that we've got this in the phone pairing mode, I'm going to go ahead and set this down. Now the next step in the process, you can grab your smartphone, you're going to go into your settings, you're going to find Bluetooth, make sure that your Bluetooth is toggled to the on position, and then you're simply searching for your Bluetooth device. In our case, we've got the BiLT DW05. So as long as you select that, you can see that it's going to change to connected. And then shortly after, on the inside of the helmet, you're going to hear a tone that says headset paired, and you're all set. You are good to go. Now, I did want to make a mention that your phone may prompt you to enter a PIN code. If that is the case, that is simply 0000. That is 4 zeros, and you should be all set. Now don't forget, we have over 140 store locations nationwide. Our gear experts are in store. They are more than happy to help you out if you're having any challenges with that installation process or perhaps getting this paired up with your smartphone or GPS device. They're more than happy to get you paired up and get you back out there on the road. So now that we've got the BiLT Techno 2.0 in this intercom pairing mode, I'm going to swing over here to the left-hand side, of course, because we are pairing it with the Sedici helmet here. Now, of course, we need to turn this on. Again, that is going to be the center and the plus key to turn this on, and you're going to hear the voice prompt saying hello on the inside of the helmet. And again, hold that center button for 5 seconds. You're waiting for the voice prompt intercom pairing, and you're going to see that it's going to change to a constant red flash. So now that both helmets are in that intercom pairing mode, doesn't matter if you select this on rider A or rider B, but you will need to select the center button on one of the Bluetooth communication systems. And what that is going to do is create the link between these communication systems. Sometimes it does take a second, but you'll see that it did change to that blue flash. And that is notating that the pairing is complete. And it's that simple, it's that easy. And now you and your fellow rider or your passenger can easily communicate while you're out there riding. Now, these are not all of the features that these communication systems provide. You've got speed dial, you've got music sharing, universal intercom pairing. Make sure you take a look at the owner's manual. You can dive deeper into some of the features that these units provide. But being able to listen to music while you're riding, get directions when you're riding in unfamiliar territory, and being able to easily communicate with your fellow riders out there on the road, it's really going to enhance your overall riding experience. Now, if you're looking for more details, feel free to click the info button on your desktop or mobile device, and that's going to take you to cyclegear.com. Or you can always head to one of our 140 store locations nationwide and check out these communication systems, among others, in person with one of our gear experts. Thanks for taking a closer look at our Bluetooth pairing and setup video. I'm Brandon. We'll see you just around the corner.